Have you ever wondered how forensic accounting impacts global economic growth? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, today we're going to dive headfirst into the fascinating world of forensic accounting. This isn't your run-of-the-mill number crunching. It's more like detective work meets financial expertise. You see, forensic accountants are the Sherlock Holmes of the financial world, using their keen eye for detail to detect fraud, embezzlement, and other financial wrongdoings. So, why is this important, you might ask? Well, these financial detectives play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of our financial systems. By sniffing out fraud and corruption, they help ensure that businesses operate honestly and transparently. This, in turn, builds trust and confidence in the market, encouraging investment, fostering economic stability, and ultimately driving global economic growth. But the influence of forensic accounting goes beyond the corporate world. It also plays a vital role in the workings of global organizations like the International Monetary Fund, or the IMF for short. These institutions rely on the accuracy and honesty of the financial data they receive from countries all over the world. Forensic accountants help guarantee this, scrutinizing the numbers and ensuring they're up to snuff. By doing so, they contribute to the IMF's mission of promoting international monetary cooperation, securing financial stability, and fostering sustainable economic growth. But it's not just about the here and now. Forensic accounting also has a role to play in shaping the future. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, so too will the challenges we face. Cybercrime, complex financial transactions, and international business operations will demand ever more sophisticated methods of detection and analysis. And who'll be at the forefront of this? You guessed it, our trusty forensic accountants. So as you can see, forensic accounting isn't just about digging into the numbers. It's about maintaining the integrity of our financial systems, fostering economic stability, and driving global growth. It's about shaping a future where trust, transparency, and honesty are the cornerstones of our economic world. As we delve into this topic, be prepared to uncover the captivating world of forensic accounting. So what exactly is forensic accounting, and why should you, as an accountant or a non-accountant, care? You might be wondering, well, let's dive in. Forensic accounting at its core is the fusion of accounting, auditing, and investigative skills. It's like being a financial detective, delving into the complex world of numbers to uncover truths and root out deceit. It's not just about crunching numbers or balancing books. Forensic accountants are the sleuths of the financial world. They delve into financial records, analyze patterns, and follow the money trail to detect and prevent fraud. They're the ones who ensure that everything adds up and that no one's cooking the books. Forensic accounting has a critical role in maintaining the integrity of financial systems. It's the guardian of transparency and accountability. By detecting and preventing fraud, it safeguards public trust and confidence in financial institutions, corporations, and even government entities. It's the watchdog that keeps the financial world in check. But the scope of forensic accounting isn't limited to big corporations or financial institutions alone. It matters to each one of us. Whether you're an individual taxpayer, a small business owner, or just someone who uses banking services, forensic accounting impacts you. It ensures that your hard-earned money is safe and that your financial transactions are transparent and fair. Forensic accounting is also a vital tool for law enforcement and legal proceedings. It can help uncover financial crimes like embezzlement, money laundering, and tax evasion. In courtrooms, forensic accountants often serve as expert witnesses, providing clear and concise explanations of complex financial situations. So whether you're an accountant or not, forensic accounting should matter to you. It's about safeguarding our financial systems, protecting our hard-earned money, and maintaining public trust in financial institutions. Now that we know what forensic accounting is, let's explore how it contributes to global economic growth. How does the meticulous work of a forensic accountant affect the economy on a global scale? Let's dive right into that. Forensic accountants, with their magnifying glasses on financial records, play a role that's much more significant than you might first think. They're the watchdogs of the financial world, ensuring that everything is as it should be and that integrity is maintained throughout. Imagine the global economy as a colossal machine with countless gears and cogs working in unison. Now think of forensic accountants as the mechanics ensuring that every single part of this machine functions smoothly without any hiccups. By detecting and preventing financial fraud, they ensure the steady flow of funds, which is the lifeblood of this machine. In essence, forensic accountants maintain the integrity of financial systems, which is a cornerstone for economic growth. But how so? When financial systems are transparent, accurate, and reliable, investors have confidence. They are more likely to invest their money, fueling businesses and economies. This increased investment leads to more jobs, higher spending, and thus economic growth. Furthermore, in a globalized world where economies are interlinked, the ripple effects of financial integrity in one corner can spread far and wide. For instance, if a multinational corporation based in one country is found to have clean financial records thanks to forensic accounting, it can attract investment from all over the globe, boosting not just its home economy, but others as well. Forensic accountants also assist in policy making. With their in-depth analysis and understanding of financial systems, they provide valuable insights to governments and international organizations. These insights can guide policies related to financial regulations, taxation, and economic growth, influencing the global economy at a macro level. In conclusion, the role of forensic accountants is not confined to solving mysteries in financial records. Their work extends beyond that, ensuring financial integrity, attracting investment, assisting in policy making, and ultimately fostering economic growth on a global scale. Forensic accounting, therefore, plays a significant role in fostering global economic growth. To better understand this, we can look at the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and its use of forensic accounting. The IMF, a global organization of 190 nations, works to foster international monetary cooperation. It's an organization that ensures fiscal stability and economic growth worldwide. One of the tools it utilizes to achieve these objectives is forensic accounting. Forensic accounting at the IMF isn't about solving crimes or unmasking fraudsters. Instead, it's about ensuring the integrity of financial systems and processes. By scrutinizing financial records and transactions, IMF forensic accountants can spot potential problems before they escalate into major issues. A notable example of this is the IMF's work in the aftermath of the global financial crisis of 2008. The crisis revealed significant weaknesses in financial systems around the world. Forensic accountants at the IMF played a crucial role in uncovering these weaknesses, helping countries to implement reforms that strengthened their financial systems and prevented future crises. In other cases, the IMF has used forensic accounting to help countries improve their fiscal management. For instance, in countries with high levels of corruption or weak financial controls, forensic accounting has been instrumental in identifying and addressing these issues. Through this work, the IMF has helped these countries to improve their fiscal integrity, promoting economic stability and growth. The IMF also uses forensic accounting to ensure its own financial integrity. By regularly examining its own operations, the IMF ensures that it operates with the highest standards of fiscal responsibility. This not only protects the resources of the IMF's member countries, but also enhances the organization's credibility and effectiveness. In all of these ways, the IMF's use of forensic accounting is a vital tool in promoting global economic growth. It helps to ensure that financial systems around the world operate with integrity, stability, and transparency. And by doing so, it contributes to the overall health and prosperity of the global economy. The IMF's use of forensic accounting is a perfect example of how this field contributes to global economic growth. With such a significant role in global economic growth, what does the future hold for forensic accounting? As we move deeper into the digital age, the importance of forensic accounting is set to increase exponentially. The increasing complexity of financial systems and transactions, coupled with the rise of cybercrime, means that the need for skilled individuals capable of dissecting and analyzing these systems is more critical than ever. Digital currencies, online transactions, and cloud-based financial systems have all opened up new avenues for financial mismanagement and fraud. This shift towards digital has not only increased the complexity of financial systems, but also the means by which they can be exploited. In response, the field of forensic accounting is evolving and adapting, harnessing new technologies and methods to keep pace. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, for instance, are being used to detect anomalies in large datasets, effectively sifting through mountains of data at a speed and accuracy far beyond human capabilities. However, while these technologies can assist in the detection process, The interpretive skills of a forensic accountant are still crucial. It's one thing to identify a discrepancy in the data, but quite another to understand what that discrepancy signifies and how it might be used in a legal context. This combination of technological advancement and increasing demand means that the future of forensic accounting is bright indeed. It's a field that's set to grow, not just in terms of its importance, but also in terms of job creation. As the need for forensic accountants rises, so too will the opportunities for those skilled in the field. We're looking at a future where forensic accounting is no longer a niche specialty, but a fundamental aspect of financial management and law enforcement. A world where the skills and expertise of a forensic accountant are as critical to a business's success as those of its CEO. Forensic accounting is not just a fascinating field, it's a growing one with immense potential. The future of forensic accounting is not just about keeping pace with the digital age, but about shaping it, influencing it, and ensuring that it's a future where integrity and transparency are the norm. So, we've learned a lot about forensic accounting and its impact on global economic growth. Let's take a moment to recap what we've discovered through this journey. We started by delving into the intriguing world of forensic accounting, peeling back the layers to reveal a discipline that's far more than just number crunching. Forensic accountants are the detectives of the financial world, using their skills to uncover fraud, corruption, and financial mismanagement. We then explored the profound connection between forensic accounting and global economic growth. Through the lens of this discipline, we see how maintaining financial integrity is not just about ensuring businesses play by the rules, but it also plays a pivotal role in fostering global economic growth. When financial systems are transparent and trustworthy, it encourages investment, fuels entrepreneurship, and fosters sustainable economic development. We turned our attention to the International Monetary Fund, or the IMF, as a case study. This global institution, with its commitment to promoting monetary cooperation and financial stability, relies heavily on the principles of forensic accounting. By promoting transparency and accountability, the IMF not only helps to prevent financial crises, but also contributes to the overall growth of the global economy. Looking forward, we considered the future of forensic accounting. As technology advances and financial systems become increasingly complex, the role of forensic accountants will only grow in importance. Their skills will be crucial in navigating these complex landscapes, uncovering hidden fraud, and ensuring that the global economy continues to grow in a sustainable and equitable way. In conclusion, the world of forensic accounting is fascinating and vital. Its role in maintaining financial integrity and fostering global economic growth cannot be overstated. It's a field that demands precision, curiosity, and a keen understanding of the financial world, but the rewards are immense. Remember, every time a forensic accountant uncovers fraud, they're not just solving a crime, they're contributing to the growth of the global economy. Now that you know the importance of forensic accounting, it's hard not to see the world of finance in a whole new light, isn't it? It's a field that's always evolving, always innovating. If you're intrigued, there's plenty more to discover. Libraries, both physical and digital, are filled with books on the subject. Websites like the International Monetary Fund's own site offer a wealth of resources for the curious mind. Podcasts, webinars, online courses, the learning opportunities are endless. If you've enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest in forensic accounting and global economic growth, why not hit that subscribe button? It's a great way to stay informed and join a community of like-minded individuals. And if you think others might benefit from this information, feel free to share the video with your network. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, forensic accounting is more than meets the eye.